I'm right here.
Oh, okay. Great.
36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Marlena E. Taylor presiding. During these proceedings, there is no eating, no sleeping, no lying down, no wearing of any hat garments except for religious purposes. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Brittany Elise White. This is ticket number SP 1204498. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. I also have two older tickets. Did you know about these, Attorney Soroki? Ticket SP 1391230. Count 1, no insurance. Sit up, Miss White. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, good morning. Pauline speaking on behalf of Brittany White.
Ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Brittany Elise White.
All right. Counsel.
Your Honor, I had the court verify that she has a valid license. She did have a valid registration and insurance today. I'm moving for dismissal of all counts and stipulate to probable cause.
Fantastic. Being an officer of the court, having seen her other valid documents, we ran her license. It is valid. The court's going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. You're welcome, Ms. White. You can sign off, okay?
Okay.
All right. Jacob Williams.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it
Yes.
please this honorable court. Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P 71733, on behalf of Mr. Jacob Williams. Mr. Williams, can you please say your name for the record?
Jacob Williams.
And this is case number 7596171, count let's see, open alcohol passenger. This was on a 3-month delayed sentence, and I will dismiss it if he paid the fine. And
Your Honor, he
my
has paid his fines.
all right. Being that he's paid his fines, the court is going to dismiss this matter for him having paid his fine. You are all set, sir. This case is dismissed, okay?
Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. Good luck to you and all that you do, okay, sir?
Thank you.
All right, have a good day. Let me bring in these next group of people who are asking for bench trial dates. Oh, shoot, I didn't even click that person. Dang it. That's all right, I'll do it last. All right. Amber Watson. Amber Watson. Unmute yourself.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Amber Rosalie Watson. This is ticket, or Rosalie Watson. This is ticket SP 1364080. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
Ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Amber Watson.
All right. Counsel, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, this time Ms. Watson's requesting a bench trial date.
Ms. Watson, you gonna come to this bench trial date?
Right. Yes.
You gonna write it down?
Yes.
Okay. You already know why I'm asking that, right?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. You had a chance to talk to Attorney Soroki about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'll set it for the date of September 10th. Put it in your phone now. September 10th at 9 a.m., Miss Watson.
Okay, got it.
Fine will continue at $0, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a great rest of your day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you. Gerald Welch. Sir Gerald,
Yes.
I apologize. Now calling the
Yes.
matter of the people versus Sir Gerald DeLon, DeLon Welch the second. This is ticket SP 1594886, count one, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P 71733, on behalf of Mr. Welch. Mr. Welch, can you please state your name for the record?
Sir Gerald Welch.
All right, counsel.
Your Honor, Mr. Welch has requested a
Pretrial.
pretrial in this matter to come back with his document.
All right, no problem. The court's gonna set this for a pretrial, sir, on the date of August 22nd. August 22nd at 8:30 a.m. Your bond will continue at $0, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. You have a great rest of your day, okay?
All right, you too.
All right, bye-bye. See you then.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Erica Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Erica Latrice Williams. This is B ticket 136707. One count, no license. Same on ticket ending in 708, 709, and 710. All no license tickets. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, no dog license, I believe it is. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P 71733. Your Honor,
Ma'am, can you state your name? I ain't have her state her name. State your name for me, ma'am.
Erica Latrice Williams.
Thank you. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, Ms. Williams is requesting a bench trial in this matter. She has been advised that she has the option of accepting or requesting a jury trial. Nonetheless, she has made a conscious decision to request a bench trial. Is that correct, Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Gayton Robinson about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding that you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial on the date of September 10th. September 10th at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'll see you on September 10th via Zoom at 9 a.m., okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Derek White? Dominic White?
Yes, ma'am.
All kinds of names, Lord. Now calling the matter of the people versus Dominic Dimitri White. This is ticket SP 1583620. One count, City Parks closed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor,
Attorney,
Pauline
sorry.
Stroke, on behalf of Dominic White.
All right, and Mr. White, can you state your name for the record, please?
Dominic Dimitri White.
Thank you. Counsel.
We waive the formal reading of the information, stand mute to the charges. I did have the opportunity to negotiate this case with the city attorney. It would be a delayed sentence with a dismissal upon payment. My client's waiving his rights and asking the court to adopt that.
All right. If that's the case, Mr. White, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Soroki about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything outside what's been stated today in exchange for this plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to June 17th of this year, 2024. Were you at Eliza Howe Park in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you there after the park had closed that evening, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied.
The court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to in the city park after dark. You can't be in the parks after dark. Listen, and I give it to you if it was just a little bit after, but it was dark.
It was,
And it was dusk. I mean, June 17th, it wasn't like pitch black, but it was dark. You can't be in the park at the dark. All right. So my fine is typically either community service or I do $100. I know that's a lot to be in the park at the dark, but is $100 something you can afford?
yes, ma'am.
Hold on. Dang. All right. So how long will that take you to pay the $100? Because I get to dismiss it. That means it's gonna get dismissed when you pay it. How long do you need to pay that?
I could pay it in 2 minutes.
Hey, you a superstar. How about let me see.
Your Honor, he has employment that he has a clearance, so that's why he needs to pay it quickly. So, you know, it doesn't interfere with his
So
employment.
if you have it paid by Monday, if you gotta give her a moment to put it in the computer system, I'm gonna have my clerk put it in the computer system. If you pay it by Monday, I'll dismiss it on Monday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that way you can get your clearance back and be good, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let me do that. Thank you so much, sir. I know you got to say, all I can hear is this, the song with Michael Jackson singing, "In the Park After Dark," you know?
I got the
Went to the
reference.
break of dawn. I don't want the sun to stop. Well, I can't sing that on this screen. I like my job. All right. If you, I thought, listen, I had to think of what song it was, and I was like, oh, I know what the next lyrics are. All right. $100 if paid by Monday. Dismiss. Well, you're gonna pay it because you need it. All right. You're all set. Thank you, Mr. White.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
I will. Thank you. Pierre West. Oh, he froze. Now he was doing so good.
Good part if you want in and out.
Okay, there you go. There you go. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Pierre Nicholas West. This is ticket SP 1592854. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P71733, on behalf of Mr. West. Mr. West, can you please state your name for the record?
Yes, Pierre West.
All right.
Your Honor, Mr. West has been made an offer to plead to I'm sorry, not made an offer. Mr. West is seeking an adjournment of this matter so that he can come back with valid documentation.
You want a bench trial or just adjournment for a pretrial to come back with valid
Bench
doc?
trial, Your Honor, so we can resolve it all either way.
Okay. All right, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Gayton Robinson about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
All right. And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That way you can bring in your documents. Hopefully that can resolve it. If not, the officers will have to come to court that day. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. It's going to be via Zoom, though, on September 10th. September 10th at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Yes.
All right. Your bond will stay at $0 person, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Khadijah Wiley? Wally?
Yes, yes.
All right. If you could turn your camera on for me, please.
Okay. Is it this? Hold on.
The same one you used when we were in the breakout room.
Okay.
There you go. All right. I'm going to call her tickets that's in warrant status as well. So I
Thank
can
you, Your
have
Honor.
everything on the docket. No problem. Now calling the matter of the people versus Khadijah Denise Michelle Wally. This is ticket SP 1592886. One count disorderly conduct. Also have tickets number SP 1473070 0. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Ticket SP 898377, failed to display valid operator's license, count 1. And ticket number SP 962405, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Ms. Wiley. Can you please state your name for the record?
Khadijah Michelle Denise Wiley.
Counsel.
Your Honor, Ms. Wiley is seeking a bench trial in this matter. We would ask that I have spoken to her about her right to a jury trial, and she has made a conscious decision to request a bench trial. Is that correct, Ms. Wiley?
Yes.
Okay. That's the case. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Gaten Robinson about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of September the 10th. September the 10th. That'll be at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0. Ma'am, you have some tickets that are with our collection agency right now. You may want to come down here right now during our amnesty program and figure out what fees and costs can be waived so you can take care of those things, okay?
Okay, I will.
All right. If there's nothing further, I'll see you on. Oh, you know what? This is disorderly conduct. You might have to come in person.
Okay.
Let me see. Attorney Mason. I think this might be in person.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is a disorderly conduct matter. You want this one in person or online on Zoom?
I think disorderly be probably in person, Your Honor.
That's what I thought. And I was about to. So this September 10th date is going to be in person, okay?
Okay.
So 36 District Court, courtroom 337. And we'll still do it 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right. I'll see you then, okay, ma'am?
Okay.
All right. Have a good rest of your day.
You too.
All right. These are the remaining folks. Bringing them in.
Now, how you leave it? Oh,
I can get you off. You need me to get you off, or you good?
I got it. I got it.
All right.
At least I think.
Joseph, you got it. Joseph
Yes, ma'am.
Williams.
Yes,
All right.
ma'am.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Joseph. Attorney Soroka, you good? I think
Yes.
these might. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Joseph Williams. This is Z ticket 809298. This is one count of operating while intoxicated. I also have ticket SX3935670. This is count 1, drove without operator's license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, here for Joseph Williams.
And Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Joseph Williams.
All right. Counsel, how are we proceeding in this?
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Williams is entering a plea of not guilty. We're requesting court-appointed counsel.
Okay. All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Sir, I'm going to have to get counsel. We need you to call the courtroom when you get off this call at noon. Can you take down the phone number to call for me, please?
Yes, ma'am. Give me 1 second here.
Okay, just let me know when you're ready, okay?
All right, great.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
Phone number is 313-965-2293. Okay. We need you to call that at noon so I can get some personal information so I can get counsel appointed. You'll meet that counsel on when you come back on August 26th at 8:30 a.m. That way they can request everything they need to and talk to you a little bit more about your matter and what it means, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we'll
You
see you
say
then.
August, we come back at August 26th.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
If I said 9 a.m., I meant 8:30, okay? 8:30 a.m. So sign on like you are, okay? They'll help you walk you
All
through
right.
the process and let me know if you need to come in person, okay?
Yes, ma'am. All right. Thank
All
you.
all right. I'll see you then, Mr. Williams. Thank you.
All right.
All right. Valencia Willis.
Yes, I'm here.
Right. Did I say your name right, ma'am?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Valencia Deanne Willis.
Yes.
Okay. Ticket 204-933-841. Count 1, driver's license never required. Count 2 of that ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3 is drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Willis.
Ms. Willis, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Valencia Willis.
All right. Counsel?
Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to negotiate this matter with my client. She pleaded to the reduced count of failed display of valid license. The other 2 matters are being dismissed, and we would stipulate the probable cause on the dismissals.
All right. If that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Soroki about your case and about your rights?
Absolutely.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea besides what's been stated on the record today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of November 9th of 2020. At that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Lampier, that's Lamphere, and Keeler Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, had you never acquired your driver's license at that point?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
it's okay. Y'all let you explain in a minute. Satisfied?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well. There's already been a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts at this time to be dismissed, so they will be. What's going on, Ms. Willis? I see that you wanted to give me an explanation. What happened?
Well, I just wanted to say I knew I was wrong. At the time, I took that chance to drive over there to pick up some money for my sister, for my fiance to go to work because he's a construction worker. But they did catch me in the act, so I take full responsibility for that because I knew what I was doing. And I do definitely apologize, and I'm definitely getting my life and everything taken care of and together. So I'm happy with that.
I like that smile. You better have a positive attitude. I hope everybody else on here listens to this and remembers this. Look how positive that was. Taking responsibility. And because of that, I'm not going to charge you any fines on this ticket. However, let me tell you. So you got some tickets in collection that you need to come down here and take care of. We got an amnesty program going on right now. So we may be able to, if it's some extra fees that added on because you didn't take care of these back then, we may be able to waive them. So come down here. You also have 3 reinstatement fees that you have to take care of. I can't waive those costs. That's something that's set by the court, and I leave those in place. But I'll waive any additional like fines I would have given out today because I see that you're trying. Come down here, see if we can get these costs a little bit lower so you don't have to pay as much as you get everything squared away. So, and don't get frustrated with the process. You didn't get here overnight. So if it take a little digging, dig a little, and then you're going to be fine. You're going to be all right. I know you're going to be all right, Miss Willis. You're going to get it all together.
Absolutely.
I see. I love so we can have some more. You can just stand in for everybody, and I can handle all the matters through you. Thank you. Just stand there, be different people for me. Thank you. That was a delightful experience for me on this Friday. Thank you, Miss Willis.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right, don't forget, you only have until August the 2nd to come down here and take advantage of our amnesty program. We're trying to get some of the fees and stuff waived, okay? August 2nd. So come down here. You only got till next week. So try and make some efforts to get down here, okay?
Absolutely. I would definitely be there.
Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, good luck to you. Have a fantastic weekend.
Okay, you too. Thank you so much.
I will. Thank you very much. All right.
Okay.
Bye-bye. All right. Oh, Maria Williams. Am I pronouncing your name right, ma'am? Oh, Maria. Oh. Miss Williams. Miss Williams.
I'm sorry. Hello.
Hello. How do you pronounce your name, ma'am?
Amaria.
Oh, it is Amaria. Okay, now calling the matters of the people versus Amaria Louise Williams. This is ticket number 713320. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance. Ticket SP 1185393. Count 1, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, drive while unlicensed. And ticket SP 1251700. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please? It's all right, Miss Williams. You just gotta do what you gotta do. It's gonna be all right. Don't worry about it. I know it's a lot.
Girl, because I'm over here like, dang. I had a whole chest this morning.
It's all right. We getting it together today, so we're not gonna stress too much, okay? Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of the defendant.
Ma'am, state your name for the record, please.
Me?
You, Miss Williams.
Oh, I'm Maria Williams.
All right. Counsel?
Your Honor, at this time, my client's continuing her plea or entering a plea not guilty, requesting a pretrial date.
This time the court's going to enter a plea and continue her plea of not guilty. Ma'am, my next date is August 22nd. Is that going to be enough time for you, or you need a little extra time?
It's cool with me.
Okay. August 22nd at 8:30 a.m. Your bond will continue at $0 in these matters. Yep. If you need to get a sheet of paper and have me repeat the dime, I will.
Yes, I'm writing it down. Trying to get
okay. Just let me know.
Okay. You said August
22nd, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, the same way you came on this day. Come on that day, okay?
Okay.
Try and give you some time to get some stuff in order, okay? All right.
Oh, okay.
If there's nothing further, your bond will continue at $0. We'll see you then.
Okay, baby. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your weekend, okay? All right.
Too.
I will. Thank you. All right. Damon Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus, is this one out of default then? Did we take this one out? We crossed it out. Is it still out? Okay, good. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Damon Charles Williams. This is ticket SP 1486811. Count 1, drove with the revoked license. Count 2, drove without cycle endorsement. And ticket number SP 1486498. Count 1, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Damon Williams.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I did Mr. Damon Williams. My matter was I was talking, but my screen was muted. Thank you for having my back, Soroki. Attorney Phyllis Robinson on behalf of Mr. Damon Williams. Mr. Williams, can you please state your name for the record?
Yes, I'm Damon Williams.
Okay. All right, counsel. I see that he wants a jury trial. So he had counsel. The counsel is now out on leave. So I need to get him some new counsel, it sounds like. And she made me aware of why we couldn't move forward with the last jury trial. So we just got to get him set up all again unless he wants to wait for her to return from her leave. It was Attorney Miller who was on it previously. I know you didn't know that, but Attorney Miller was assigned to this case originally, and
Okay.
forces outside of it. So Mr. Williams, it looks like you want to have a jury trial. I can ask them to assign you new counsel in this particular matter so that you can move forward with the jury trial, or I can try and find out when the other counsel you had received prior to this date is coming back, and we can pick a date that works with her calendar for a jury trial. How would you wish to proceed, Mr. Williams?
Either way is fine. I'll leave that to the court.
Okay. I should probably just give him some counsel. Hold on a second.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna try and get you a new counsel, Mr. Williams. I'm gonna see what happens. They may tell me that she'll be back in time because my next jury trial dates aren't until October anyways, but let's see. So I'm going to have you come back on not October, Lord, August the 26th to meet counsel so we can get counsel in place. And then I'll still have those October dates available. So we won't have to delay it super long, but that's just how it works out. So, okay.
Okay, yes, ma'am, no problem.
All right. And Mr. Williams, I already have your same information. Has anything changed as far as your home address or your phone number at this point in time from the last time we were in court, sir?
No, ma'am, everything's the same.
Okay. I just want to make sure. So you don't have to call the court. I'll just send over a new sheet for them to have, and you just return back on August the 26th of 2024. I just want to make some notes that it wasn't your fault that you didn't appear to the last hearing. Everyone did keep us updated to let us know what was going on so that we could be able to have this new court date. Okay.
Okay, very well. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. All right, Mr. Williams, I'll see you on August 26th at 8:30 a.m. so we can get new counsel appointed, and then we can set your jury trial date at that point. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm making note of
All
it
right.
now.
All right, thank you. And then we'll continue your bond at $0. Okay, sir.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Williams. We appreciate it.
Okay, thank you. Take care. Have a good
You
weekend.
too. Take care. Have a good day. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. All right, you as
bye-bye.
well.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. That's this morning's docket, I think. Oh, no, we got somebody who's coming through. This might be the person. I had one extra file, Albert, right?
Yes.
That might be him. Okay, I was hoping so. It's okay if you took us down too. I ain't too mad. Don't worry, Miss Sandy. We'll be all right.
No, we're still screening, Judge. I was
Okay.
letting him in as admitted.
Oh, okay, cool. I saw your hand move, so I wasn't sure. I was like, it's okay. Okay. Motorola, Moto, what's your name? Who just came into the courtroom? What's your name, please? Hello.
You better go to church on Sunday, Judge. I know you're going to want to be singing.
I'm gonna be singing all day long. You already know it. Listen, in my head, I started singing the other song I was singing earlier about Michael Jackson, like to the break of dawn. I don't want no. I'm like, I don't know if I should. It's the Motorola Moto Pure G. No. Hello, can you hear us? Let's try the real name. Is this Albert Wright? I'll give him a moment to try and unmute himself, I guess. Miss Watkins was on, but then she left off. Who did? Kania
Kanaya Watkins, hers is a dismissal, Your Honor. She has a valid license. Can I please waive my client's appearance?
Yep, now calling the matter of the people versus. No, we can't hear you. Hold on one second. Sir, you trying to unmute yourself? You see me asking you to unmute? Press the mic. There we go.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. What's your name, sir?
Albert Wright.
All right. Did council talk to you already?
You know what, Your Honor, I'm not too familiar how to do this stuff, but we got disconnected when we was talking. She tried to get me to do Zoom, but I don't know. This is something new to me.
I know.
So
You were
he
talking
did-
to Attorney Soroki, weren't you?
I think Spencer, I think.
Okay, Attorney.
Paula.
He has his
Okay, let me
documents.
talk to Attorney Soroki. Go ahead, Attorney Soroki.
I believe he just needs to show his documents, right? So you had your
Okay.
registration and insurance.
Oh, my document? Wait a minute, hold on. Let me give them for you. You got to give me a minute, though.
Okay, Mr. Wright.
That's why we got on the
Okay.
camera, was to get your documents.
All right, hold on. I
Yes,
got
so
it.
that's wonderful, Attorney Soroki. Thank you.
Okay, this my registration. Wait a minute, hold on.
Okay,
I gotta
get
all
some
this
help if
stuff
you can.
together.
We understand, Mr. Wright. It's a little difficult.
But I got it though.
Okay.
Okay, where did my registration go? Let's see. Registration. Oops. One. I got it there somewhere. Oh, here you go. Here. Wait a minute. Registration. Oh. Yeah. Registration. Okay. All right. I don't think you can see this here. Can you see it?
Yes, just keep it on it. You gotta put it up right in the camera so we can see it.
Okay, can you see it now?
All right. Move it over. There we go. January 2nd of 2025. Looks like it's some type of Chevrolet.
Yeah, it's well, the other was a Saturn.
Yes. What happened to the Saturn vehicle, sir?
I still have the Saturn. Oh, let me get you that too, okay?
Okay, thank you. That's the one I need. Okay, Mr. Wright.
Okay.
That's the one I need.
Okay, let me get you that one too.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. I'm kind of rushing.
I know we got you, Mr. Wright. Don't worry. It's okay. We know you're trying. I can see them. I can see the trying.
Yeah, I'm trying. It's in my other car. My car lock. Let me get the keys.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Where are the keys? Oh man. Okay, they're not in there. I gotta go in the house. Oh, oh, yeah.
To mute him because I don't want him to lose. Sorry, Attorney
Why
Gay
don't you
Robinson.
just
I'll
leave
call
your
that
phone
mess.
inside and go find your registration. You don't need to carry your phone
Okay.
inside with you.
Go find it and then come back, Mr. Wright, okay? Just leave the phone, sit it down. I know you're gonna come back, okay? Come back after you find it. Just set your phone down. I ain't got to go on a journey. And then come back when you get it, okay? All right. Let me do the matter for you, Attorney Gay Robinson. He taking me on a mission anyway. Don't turn off his camera though. It's gonna be like trying to get it back. I'm gonna just have to deal with it for a second.
Okay.
It'll be all right. Now call the people versus Kanaya Watkins. This is ticket
Yes.
number SP 1269743. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P 71733, on behalf of Ms. Watkins. Your Honor, Ms. Watkins was present this morning. She did provide me with her new valid driver's license. It was verified by your clerk. And as a direct result, we are asking that you waive her appearance. I'm assuming she had technical difficulties and dismiss this matter as that was the offer from the people. We do stipulate to probable cause.
All right. And I did actually see her in the waiting room. And when I tried to click her in, something must have happened and she dropped off. So being an officer of the court, we did run it. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice at this time for her having a valid doc. And she paid all her other tickets. So we are all set. She is good to go. I'm going to dismiss this matter on her behalf. All right.
Okay.
That concludes this hearing for that case. All right. Now, if we could just, Mr. Wright, he trying real hard.